Well, welcome to my channel, Flights Assistance. Add extra baggage on Emirates Airlines. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on adding extra baggage to your Emirates Airlines booking in 2024. Whether you're planning a long vacation or just need to pack a little extra, Emirates makes it convenient to add more baggage allowance to your flight. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process, ensuring a hassle-free experience before your journey begins. Understanding Emirates baggage policy. Before you add extra baggage, it's crucial to understand Emirates Airlines baggage policy. This includes the standard baggage allowance for your ticket class, any restrictions on weight and dimensions, as well as excess baggage fees. You can find this information on the Emirates website or by contacting their customer service. Assess your baggage needs. Evaluate how much extra baggage you require for your trip. Consider factors such as the duration of your journey, the items you need to pack, and any specific requirements or restrictions for your destination. Access Emirates Manage Booking Portal. To add extra baggage to your Emirates flight, log into the Emirates website and navigate to the Manage Booking section. Here, you'll need to enter your booking reference or e-ticket number along with your last name to access your booking details. Select Baggage Options. Once you've accessed your booking, look for the option to add extra baggage. Emirates typically provides a range of baggage options tailored to your route and ticket class. Choose the option that best suits your needs, whether it's additional weight allowance or an extra piece of luggage. Pay for extra baggage. After selecting your preferred baggage option, you'll be prompted to pay any applicable fees. Emirates offers various payment methods for added convenience, including credit debit cards and online payment platforms. Review the total cost before proceeding with the payment. Confirmation and receipt. Once payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation of your extra baggage allowance. Make sure to save this confirmation for reference, as you may need to present it at the airport during check-in. Packing and preparation. With your extra baggage allowance secured, you can now pack your belongings accordingly. Be mindful of weight and size restrictions to avoid any additional charges at the airport. Additionally, double-check your travel documents and itinerary to ensure a smooth journey ahead. Conclusion. Adding extra baggage to your Emirates Airlines booking is a straightforward process that can be completed online through the Manage Booking Portal. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily accommodate your travel needs and enjoy a stress-free journey with Emirates. Thank you for watching and safe travels.